Hey, it's Paul Banis with GreatDad.com, and I'm here with Hayden again, and we are talking today about home automation and a new product from SimplySmartHome, which is called the Switchmate. And this is a different kind of product than a lot of the home automation stuff that you see that's really coming out, where it requires a big installation. You've got to replace switches or outlets to make it work. This is actually a solution that just clamps on to a switch. In this case, it's a rocker switch. You can see it's got a little thing that's mechanical in nature. And when you turn the switch on, it operates the rocker switch. And it's got magnets here, so you just put it right on top of the rocker, and you've got a control on your switch. And the thing that makes it work is this hub that fits into your outlet, and it gives you two also smart home outlets, as well as two bonus USBs at the bottom, which is kind of cool. So this is it's an innovative idea that allows you to test out home automation before investing a lot of money to see if it's even something you would really get excited about it. This kit actually comes with two of these, and one of these for somewhere in between $69 and $89, so it's not super high price point. And it'll work with Google Assistant and with Alexa, right? Mm-hmm. So you've got Alexa Echo, and you use it in your room all the time. Mm-hmm. I think it's kind of goofy. I mean, talking to your light, but it's obviously a thing that's changing quite a bit in the way people operate within their homes. So these have a lot of different things that they can do. For one thing, there's a night light that's built in that when it gets dark, it glows in the dark. As I said, it's got the USBs. It is motion sensitive. You walk into the room and you can program it to turn on one of these things attached to the outlet. Same way with this guy. It has remote access, so on your phone you can access it through the Switchmate app. You can also access it through Google Echo or Amazon Alexa.
Amazon Echo.
Amazon Echo or Alexa. Amazon Alexa on your smartphone. And then it also has timers, so you can set the lights to go on at different times, whatever is attached to these outlets to go on at different times, and that's kind of handy. Now I have seen, for me, I found it very easy to set up. It was basically like they say, you just put it right on your switch. It worked very quickly, especially this little guy worked. The minute I put it on.
You have this one.
And that one also, the setup through the app was relatively simple. The setup with the Alexa took a little bit more time.
With all the smart devices like the voice activation, it usually takes a long time because you have to install skills, all that.
Right. I find that the process of setting up skills in Amazon Alexa takes a little bit of time, but it worked flawlessly for us, and I can put on the Alexa app, or I think with your Echo you could just say, Alexa, turn on the lamp, Alexa, turn on the overheads, is what we called them by different names, and it works immediately. Now I have seen a couple of complaints within Amazon that some people found it unbelievably difficult to make it work consistently.
I tried the switch, and sometimes when you tap on it, it doesn't.
I don't know if is it meant to tap or is it meant to push? Maybe
well,
it is
you can
tapping.
either push or you just... I don't know, but when I tried it, it was...
It seemed to not work all the time.
it wasn't too consistent.
I think it's a matter of learning how hard you have to tap on it.
Yeah.
There's a little blue light that goes on when you know that it works. And then the other thing that people did complain about a little bit on the Amazon reviews was that the batteries on the rocker switch wear out quickly. And I can imagine that's true because it takes two AA batteries in here, and it is doing a mechanical function. This isn't just radio control or Bluetooth control. It's operating this thing that goes, closes or makes the rocker switch bounce back and forth. So that's going to burn up battery life fairly quickly if you're using it a lot to turn lights on and off.
And then on this one, you also have these buttons here. So
right.
Instead of, like if you have certain devices or lamps usually, that don't have a switch, you can just click on here, and then it's also connected to your phone, so you no longer have to duck into little areas and plug in a lamp.
A little bit hard for us since all of our outlets tend to be about 2 inches off the ground. But,
yeah.
But there is a manual override if you can't get it to work. So in general, I think it's a cool product, especially for people who are just interested in home automation and want to see how it works.
Like if you're just getting into it.
Yeah, without spending a bundle. It's the Switchmate from SimplySmartHome. Or maybe I've got that wrong, I think. It's actually the SimplySmartHome by Switchmate. And it's about $69 to $89 on Amazon. Check it out. Okay, Paul Bain with GreatDad.com. He's Hayden. See you next time.